Firstly, this guy here, his name is Brian Nutter. He plays acoustic guitar, electric guitar, 6-string banjo-y sounding, weird looking thing. Plays bagpipes, bongos, recorder, badly, and he sings too.